In this paper, we honor Professor Kier in his 18th birthday by exploring his influence in science. What did we do? We ran a bibliometric study of Kier's contribution in the framework of this scarce community. The raw material was taken from Kier's curriculum vitae and from the easy web of knowledge. As to November the 2nd, 2012, Kier had produced 211 scientific documents published between 1956 and 2010, covering subjects like experimental chemistry, mainly in the 60s, molecular orbital theory in the 60s and 70s, topological descriptors, which began in the 70s and he keeps taking ahead, and cellular automata and complexity in the 90s. Along his scientific career, Kier has played different roles in the community of drug research as editor and lecturer, and his research has been funded by public and private institutions. By looking for the most important words characterizing his research, we found molecular, model, connectivity, index, electrotopological, and structure, which shows the traversal theme of his research on pharmacological interactions of substances using their structures as main data source.
What about Kier's collaborators? He has collaborated with 102 scholars that are divided into two groups. A few recurrent collaborators and a large number of temporary collaborators. 9 out of the 10 most cited documents by Kier are co-authored with Lowell Hall and are mainly on topological descriptors. Other collaborators are Chao Kun Chen and Bernard Testa in works on cellular automata approaches to model water and solutions.
We took citations to Kier's works as a proxy for the reception of his contributions. He has 11,828 AC sites in November the 2nd, 2012, which are spread in time, showing that his results are not scientific fashion, but that they remain alive. About 50% of Kier sites are to 10 documents, which we call Kier's Top 10. These documents mainly deal with molecular structure and its encoding. 3 of these 10 publications are books and the other papers.
Who cites Kier? And do those scientists citing Kier work together? We found that 3,500 authors have cited Kier's Top 10, and they have collaborated in average with about 5 other authors, also citing Kier's Top 10. There are 394 groups of authors citing those documents and working together.
Surprisingly, we found a gigantic group of more than 1,000 authors citing Kier's Top 10 who work in mathematics, computer sciences and chemistry. We call this group the Mathematical Chemistry Community.